Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another SFHD tech video. In the meantime, our smartphone manufacturers removing the 3.5mm headphone port from their smartphones, wireless neckbands and wireless earbuds have become very popular and it has become a trend among us. So today I have with me the Dudao U5Plus and wireless neckband for a low budget from a company called Dudao. So if you're not familiar with the name Dudao, you can find it out from the link given down in the description. So today I'm gonna unbox this and share my experience and my thoughts with y'all. Hey guys, this is SFHD Tech. So today we are gonna find out whether this Dudao U5Plus worth the price. Is this the best you can get under $10? Definitely subscribe if you're new to my channel and press the bell icon. So now let's get started. Get started with the box. So as you can see a clear picture of the Dudao U5Plus. You can see the Dudao branding here, and you can see wireless neckband, sports headset. You can see some Chinese language. I don't know what language is it. And the special thing about this is you can put an SD card or a TF card into this device and listen. And this also comes with the 6 months international warranty, and you can see U5Plus. And here when you go to the sides, you can see some details, and on the back it's normal as a normal one. So you can see some picture of the neckband, and you can see Dudao again, and that's all you can see. And here you can see some QR code scanners and certifications and some specifications on this device. So now let's get unboxed with this device. So now let's unbox it. So it's a very hard polythene, so let's remove it off, peel it off. So you can see as soon as you remove it, so let's move it away. And now you can see the box, it's in white color as I mentioned. So let's seal it off and let's see what you get inside. Actually, this is my first unboxing experience of this wireless neckband, so I don't know how long it will take to unbox this. So you can see here it looks actually very good for the price, but it's not the best I have seen. There are more better ones than this. So let's peel it off. You can see I have got this black color variant which matches to every thing you wear. So let's peel it off.
A few moments later.
So finally, after a million years, I have got it out of the device. So out of the box I have got it. So you can see it actually feels very good for the price. We'll compare it with other devices in the future. So you can see here, you can see the paper manuals, you can see, and you also get an USB cable in this device, which is very interesting. I didn't expect this on this device. And as soon as you open, that's all you can get on this device. So this is user manual, this is the neckband, and this is the USB cable. So all of these things are included in the box, and you get a 6 months warranty as I mentioned. So it's a very good thing for the price. So now let's get into the build quality on this device. You take a look at the device at the first glance, you would see that the device is made out of plastic, and it has this grip on it which gives it a very good look. And you can see here it's made out of rubber and a plastic material here. It kinds of an rubber plastic one, and you can bend it easily, which is very handy to use. And you can even use this in your pocket. You can do like this, and you can use it in your pocket. It's very handy, right? Here, and you will see these two control panels here, which you get in every neckband. And you can see here there are 3 buttons here, and volume up button, power button, and the volume down button. When you press this power key, you will see this logo. You can see it's blinking in red and white, blue color, you can see there. And you can see here the Bluetooth 4.1 logo here, and you can see here the Dudao brand, and that's all you can see on this device. And I would say that the forehead feels a bit narrow on this device. It's a bit thick compared to others, which gives it an elegant look. Plus it won't fall from your neck, and it will get less damages. And you can see here the power port, micro USB port you can see. And you can see here you can insert the SD card, TF card to this device. And you can see these two wires which you get in every neckband, and you can see the two earbuds. And the most liking thing on this device is that it's amazing. You can just put like this and it will automatically get attracted due to magnets. So you can get a one magnet here and a one magnet here, and they are very strong, plus they are so heavy because of the magnets. So that's the point of having a magnet. So and you can see that here also it has a magnet, but it doesn't attract due to these bends here. So it's a pretty solid build quality, I would say, for the price, and it's an acceptable level of build quality for a $10 neckband. Comes to the Bluetooth connectivity on this device, it comes with Bluetooth 4.1, couple of years old. So because of this, it disconnected every time when I pair on my iPad. So the main reason for it was the Bluetooth 4.1. So I don't recommend anyone to use this for jogging and for running, because at that moment, as soon as you get your phone a bit far, the earphone will get disconnected. So it's a bit of a bummer for those kinds of users. And talking about normal usage, it doesn't disconnect every time, but as soon as I listen music for a long time, it sometimes get disconnected, which is a bummer. And it's very hard to pair this device. You must tap this like twice and to get paired to your iPad or your Android phone or your iPhone. So it takes a lot of effort to get connected, but when you get connected, you can get up to 5 meters of range to listen to music. So as soon as you jump to the next room, it won't be getting disconnected, but as soon as you go to the next room, it's 100% going to get disconnected. In terms of the Bluetooth range, I would say it's average for my kind of usage. So I won't consider this as my primary neckbands, because the Bluetooth range on this device is just not acceptable. And it's a big thumbs down from my side for the Bluetooth connectivity on this device. And the weird reason is that it does not come with any type of an app compatibility, which is a bummer for me, because if you have an app compatibility, you will get updates for this. It will improve your sound quality. It can change the settings such as equalizer and bass mode or anything like that. So those kinds of things you don't get with these budget ones. So it's a bit of a bummer, but you can't expect that much for the price. But the Bluetooth connectivity on this device is not that much great. When it comes to the sound quality on this device, it blows me away, because it did and such a good job for the price you pay. It's excellent and fantastic for the price. The sound quality is pretty loud for the price, and you won't get any kind of a distortions when you play at 50%, 80% volume. But as soon as you switch to 100% full volume, you will feel slight distortions in these earbuds. You will feel that it's a bit vibrating. So in terms of that, I didn't like this device that much. But the sound quality for the price is excellent. I don't think you can find this much of a good sound quality for this price. So in terms of sound quality, it's A+ for my usage. I know that if you have used an high-end wireless neckband like the Oppo Enco M31, this will feel a joke to you. The sound quality is bad, very bad compared to those. But in terms of the price, in the $10 price range, I think no wireless neckband can beat this. And when it comes to the bass also, you will feel that slightly boosted bass, and the mids, highs and the vocals are very good on this device. It's well preserved on this device, and everything is perfect on this device. As soon as you put to the max volume, you will feel slight distortions, as I told you, but it's not a complaint for the price. And talk about the call quality, it did an excellent job here also. When I was in indoors, the call quality on this device was average, I would say, and when I was in the outdoors, the call quality was also average. But sometimes the other parties told me that my sound was not that much clear on this device compared to my wired one. So in terms of the sound quality, it's average, I would say, but it can do your job. So it's a good package for sound and call quality. So I can recommend this to anyone who is going to look for sound under $10 price range. If you badly want a neckband under this price range, I think this is the best one to go. When it comes to the battery life on this device, They claims about 8 hours of battery life. Depending on your usage, it might change. Roughly, I got about 6 to 6.5 hours of battery life according to normal usage. I did not expect this to last this much because I didn't play music that much on this device. I just not played the music continuously on this device, so I got roughly about 6.5 hours, roughly 7. And if you are a very light user, then you will get about 7 to 7.5 hours. They claim this battery as it can last up to 8 hours, but according to my opinion, you will get around 7 to 7.5 hours, not 8 hours, I would say, because it has a small amount of space to put a battery. I mean, it's better than an earbud, but still only this service is there to put a battery. That's the advantage of neckbands over earbuds, because they can have a large battery packed inside them. And you will see the micro USB cable, which allows to charge the device, and you get a micro USB charging cable inside the box, which is a very good thing to have, because micro USB cables are very rare these days to find on the market. So it's a very good thing to have on this device. And it does not come with any type of an fast charging capability on this device. According to the price, you can't expect those types of fancy features. So the battery life on this device is acceptable, and it's excellent for the price you pay. It's very good because it can last up to 7.5 hours if you're a normal user, and when you take calls and all that, it will get around 7.5 hours, which is pretty damn good for this price. So that's much it for the battery life on this device. It's a very good pair of wireless neckbands if you're searching for battery under the $10 price range. So when it comes to conclusion, should I recommend this to anyone who is buying an wireless neckband for the price of $10? Absolutely yes. It's a great pair of wireless neckbands if you just want to listen to music, just get calls, and you doesn't want those high bass, thumping bass on this device. This is an excellent choice. Its battery is also very good for the price. It's great. The audio quality is also very good. The call quality is also average on this device, and yeah, it's a good one. And the build quality is also very good on this device. So this device is an overall package for the price you pay, and I can recommend this to anyone who likes to buy a neckband, especially for those who like to buy budget neckbands instead of going for those high-end premium ones. So that's all for the reviews. Hope you like this video. Definitely, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe and press that bell icon so you won't miss these types of awesome new content. So this is SFHD Tech, and I'll catch you in my next video.